Welcome to our home.
We've got our facial recognition system to open up the house. We've got these beautiful high ceilings with skylights.
3 VLAX skylights. Lets the light into a hallway which is normally dark. Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
That was great.
Oh, they've lit the trusses too, that's nice.
Our beautiful laundry, small but functional. A beautiful light well over here. We've got our gorgeous staircase and under-stair storage hidden behind this beautiful
Have a look at it.
door.
With a
Wine fridge.
wine fridge.
That's awesome.
Oh wow, yeah, that's cool.
That is awesome.
How good is our beautiful staircase with our lovely artwork? We hope you love our home.
Welcome to our beautiful
home.
hallway. Come on in.
Mate, this is the hallway of a movie star.
And our beautiful steel window design.
Look at that.
That's their game changers. Who
It
invented
is
that
their game
archway?
changer. It is absolutely
Such
beautiful.
A nice way to separate the old from the new.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Had a little fun with this one. Love the wallpaper. Love it.
Beautiful mud room, beautiful laundry. We put in a beautiful window.
Come down here and greeted.
If you come in here, you're like, where do I? Oh, Harry Potter. And this is our secret chamber. Our chamber of secrets.
Hey, the hidden door.
Behind the.
Oh, storage. Oh, there's heaps of storage in there.
This is our beautiful space. We love it.
Welcome to our room. Come on through. Let's take you through.
Come on down this way.
Down the hallway. Come on.
Beautiful, beautiful hallway. Very sleek, very elegant, nothing blocking your way. Beautiful artwork.
Art deco.
Art deco,
Oh,
come
look.
at me.
Picture rails used for
Yeah.
hanging pictures.
Yeah.
Powder room in here. Laundry. Look at this
Have a look.
amazing
Deb's artwork.
original
Beautiful.
artwork by Deb.
Spacious laundry.
Okay, now we're heading from the old into the new.
Let's go.
Go up these stairs. Give you a workout.
Have a look at the colours. These warm.
Warm
Colours.
tones. Amazing original artwork.
Nice artwork. Oh, there's more up here. Yeah, that looks great. That looks really nice.
Let's get out of here. We hope that you love our room as much as we do.
Welcome to our room. Come over here, 1932, original floorboards from the front bedroom, something very special.
Follow the arrows of the chevron to come through the house. Yeah, lovely steel door.
We had no money to do that. Remember I said I wanted to do that in week 1? And you were like, yeah, I don't like
I'm
it.
kind of glad we've run out of money.
Yeah, I don't like it.
There's too gothic for me.
Into a woman's dream, the laundry of her dreams, an air dryer, which is just like having a dry cleaner at home.
Come down the beautiful handmade steps into the soaring porta timber wall with the open storage. Look at that.
Oh, this is big.
Yeah, so
Oh, the little vacuum. Jeez, I can actually walk under here. It's quite high.
So, we hope you enjoyed it. We've got to go and get stuck into the front yard.
Welcome to our room. Come and check it out. 1950s antique chandelier, beautiful piece.
one chandelier.
Yep. It's
Beautiful.
like an original 1950s chandelier.
Beautiful.
It's stunning. I love it. So warm.
It would be nice if you could see it from all angles. From
Beautiful
the
porta
50s.
timber wall. What's this? Oh, secret door. Laundry. Come on in, check it out. Beautiful frozen terra bench top.
Come this way.
Down to Tam.
Upstairs. And then if you come around the corner, tucked underneath our stairs is a gorgeous little powder room.
Sensational.
We hope you like our space.
Thank you.